You guys, I want to step out right now. I want to go and buy plantains. The way plantain is expensive, I really don't understand it. Like plantain, I don't even know, you guys. But yesterday I got plantains. My cousin got plantains, but she bought one 1,000 naira for plantain, for baby plantain, and I really don't know how much is going to be in this place. Like I really like, personally, I love plantain, but right now I can't even get myself to buy plantains because of how expensive they are. Like I'm not the only person that does that. Like I think that's very expensive. Like the cravings just automatically stop. So the reason why I'm buying plantains right now, because I want to make beans. We have beans, and the weevils in the beans won't let the beans rest. We want to make it for the beans to get bad. Nobody has time to make moi moi right now because we currently don't have blender right now in this house. So but plantain is so expensive. Bye guys.
Now bomb be this, don't go with speed, small. Much small. Important small. It's getting too close to that car. Small.
She just be doing straight as well.
Yes.
This kid that is coming, will I still look again?
Just wait. Just pass. Press brake. Make it pass.